The PC case is the enclosure for the computer configuration. It houses the important hardware components, providing them protection against physical damage, electrostatic discharge, and electromagnetic interference. While the case has little to no impact on the overall system performance, it offers a neat way to conceal PCBs and cables behind a stylish cover. The case provides mounting points for the motherboard using standoffs, as well as for the PSU, cooling fans, disk drives, and expansion cards. They might feature 5.25-inch bays for CD/DVD drives and other bay accessories such as USB front panel, 3.5-inch bays for hard drives, and 2.5-inch bays for SSDs and hard drives. It also provides holes for routing cables through them. The sizes of computer cases can be described either based on the supported motherboard form factor or by using the tower type classification. The most common tower types are full tower. It typically fits motherboards ranging from mini ITX to extended ATX. Mid tower supports boards up to ATX. Mini tower designed for mini ITX and micro ATX boards. Slim tower, it is similar to mini tower but generally is narrower. And small form factor, which are exclusively built for mini ITX boards. Usually, larger cases can fit smaller motherboards, but smaller cases cannot fit larger motherboards than those specified in their description. If you're unfamiliar with motherboard sizes, please refer to my video about motherboards. Unfortunately, the tower type classifications are not standardized and dimensions can vary between manufacturers. Additionally, you may encounter many other case types on the market. The common constraints that you need to consider when choosing a PC case are the length and height of the GPU. Make sure that the case has enough space to fit the video card that you have selected, as more powerful GPUs tend to be quite bulky. The height of the CPU cooler. If you're using tower type cooler, make sure that the case is wide enough to fit it. The maximum number of fans and mounting points in case you're planning to use liquid cooling. The number of 3.5 and 2.5-inch drive bays, important if you're using hard drives and SATA SSDs. And finally, the size of the power supply unit. Higher wattage PSUs are typically designed for bigger cases. Depending on the model of the case, the PSU can be installed either at the top rear side of the case or in the bottom rear side of the case. Sometimes the CPU is hidden behind a tunnel called the PSU shroud. This helps conceal the mess created by the PSU cables and may improve the airflow. In such cases, the PSU is often installed via the right side panel. Some cases offer the option to use a backside connectors motherboard, which allows the user to connect all cables behind the motherboard, achieving a cleaner look while improving airflow and aesthetics within the case. Most PC cases include power and reset buttons, as well as front audio jacks and USB ports pre-installed. Power on LED and HDD LED might also be present depending on the specific model. Some PC cases come equipped with RGB or addressable RGB lights to offer customization for the user. Additionally, some models include integrated controller for fans and RGB lights, providing a cleaner cable management solution. PC case fans can be installed at the front, back, top, bottom and side panels depending on the specific model. Some cases come equipped with pre-installed fans, while the term optional refers to the absence of fan with the ability to add one if needed. If you're looking to save some money, choose a case with pre-installed fans. Typically, the front, side and bottom mounted fans are used for intake, while the rear and top mounted fans are used for exhaust. Higher quality cases often feature high airflow, low noise fans and may also include sound dampening materials to further reduce the noise generated by the fans. Generally, PC cases are made from metal and plastic. Some cases feature transparent glass for the side panel and sometimes for other panels as well. There are two main options, tempered glass or acrylic glass. Tempered glass tends to be clearer, easier to clean and more resistant to scratches. However, it is heavier and more prone to breaking. creating a dangerous mess with many sharp pieces. On the other hand, acrylic glass is lighter and safer to handle, but it tends to collect more dust and is difficult to clean without scratching. That's all you need to know about PC cases. If you learned something new, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you would like to see more content like this. Thank you for watching, see you soon.